my name is Gigi, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. First, you do 2 sticks of butter. Good. Next, we're going to do half a cup of sugar and 6 tablespoons. White sugar. Ooh, this one's easy. 1, 4, 5. Next is 1 cup and 2 scoops of
packed
brown sugar. Did I put it? What?
Okay, now do 2 tablespoons.
Kinetic sound, so weird. 2 tablespoons?
Mm-hmm.
So, which one?
1, 2 scoops.
Which one?
Both sides are the same. They're
Okay.
just different shapes.
2?
Yep. Make sure you pack it in there like the sand.
Go. That. Da. Smack. Oh, I'm gonna do this side. Another. Gotcha. Yep.
Perfect.
Next, we're gonna cream the ingredients together. Next, we're gonna add 2 large eggs like these. Okay.
Open it up. Dump it in.
It's like there's a baby animal in here.
Nope.
Oh no, just showing there.
That's okay. We'll get it out. Open it up. There you go. Drop it in. Perfect.
Shiny egg, nice.
Stick your thumb in there and open it up. Open it. Don't squeeze it.
What? You put the eggs in, but mix well and do not whip. Are we almost done? Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. That was good.
Okay, do it.
Okay. Ah! Some way. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Straight. 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Perfect. Dump it in.
Sorry. Mix together. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. There we go.
Fill it up all the way.
There we go.
Okay.
It was all the way.
Oh, don't splash it around, baby. Just dump it in. Now fill the other one up. Nope. Nope. Ah.
Oh.
Fill it up.
Now add 8 ounces of chocolate chips and 4 ounces of mini chocolate chips. Ah! Mix it all together, but do not overmix. Scoop your cookies onto a sheet and bake at 325. Oh God. There.
Press them down into there. There.
I did a perfect size than you.
You did. Now turn it around and squeeze.
Like this.
Perfect.
Put it in the other oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Good, now cookies. You could watch them cook if you turn on the light. Ah! The last step is to eat the cookies. Thanks for watching.